more transmission is required. That will be a function of the deposit rates coming down. The government has started spending, the liquidity has come in, and we are also talking with the central bank to reduce the risk weights and the cost of liquidity. So I think transmission will also happen.
So
once we come
risk weights on what?
on assets, our risk weights are much higher than international standards. So we're saying bring it to Basel III levels.
So right now the standard is 40 basis points. So what are you?
No. That's a separate thing. I'm saying if you take, for instance, consumer lending, the risk weight for calculating capital is taken at 125%. Globally, it's 100%. Similarly on housing. Similarly on non-rated loans, that affects the amount of capital required. So that has to be reduced. And we're looking at that the liquidity as the LCR cushion builds up under Basel II, we should be reducing SLR. That combined with easy money and the change in inflation that you're seeing should lead to better transmission.
Sir, on the legislative front, worry remains on passing off the GST and the land bills. India Inc. has been waiting for this for the longest time. What sort of sense are you picking up from the way the monsoon session is being managed?
What sense? My sense is the same as yours. I think they should come together in the interest of the country. Besides that, what else can I say?
Sir, the rupee has breached the 65 mark. According to you, where is it headed? What is the outlook?
I don't know where it's headed, but what China is doing is very dangerous and unpredictable. Devaluing the yuan twice in 2 days, I think unless something is done, will lead to competitive devaluation.
But do you see any impact on Indian export?
It's not just Indian export, it will have an impact on all exports. China is a very big exporter, and if he makes it even cheaper as it is, he was dumping. If you see the amount of steel dumping that he's doing here, that's phenomenal. That will only get worse. So I think either competitive devaluation or duty on China globally is a distinct possibility.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.